Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Zoom tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to change the language in Zoom. This is actually quite simple, but there are two different ways. One is for the app, the other is for the website. First I will show you the right way for the app. As you can see, I opened the app, but I can't find any settings here. The right setting is at the bottom of my taskbar. I first have to show all hidden icons. Here I have to right click on the Zoom icon, select Switch language, and then any language I want to. In this case we will do this with German, and when I click on it, Zoom restarts and is then displayed in the desired language. But now there is the case that you want to change the language for your profile on the website. How to do this? For this I first have to click on my profile picture and select My Profile. This way I will be redirected to the website. If you are not logged in yet, please log in first. I choose the tab Profile, and here I find the language settings. If I click on Edit, I can change the language here as well. We also will test this with German very quick and see that this worked too. And that's it all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.